We're here at the Low Quality Inn and Suites here in Salem, Illinois. Look how low this call button is. Okay, I'll take you upstairs. It's one of these Western Kentucky elevator service. I never even heard of that. 3. There's a phone. 988, not surprised. There we go. Let's go back up to 3. There's a lantern on the side. West Kentucky elevator service. Weird. Especially in Illinois. Oh, by the way, we are nowhere near Kentucky. There's Indiana's to, you know, kind of the east of us. Kentucky's like another 100-ish miles south. Those are the buttons there. So yeah, those are GL buttons. West Kentucky elevator service. That's a thing, apparently. Never in my life have I ever heard of West Kentucky elevator service.
Do you like it?
It's so weird.
Oh, sorry.
Look at this call button. It's very low. But yeah, anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.